I'm about to show you how to make 3 easy projects using tea lights that sell. Let's do it. First thing as always, throw on them safety glasses. Now, we're gonna measure up our board to 18 inches. Right there. Grab that speed square. Boom. Now we're gonna head to that miter saw. We about to make the cut. Next thing we're gonna do is clamp our piece down. So now guys that we got our board nice and clamped down, we got a measurement right here from this line that I drew to this line is 12 inches. So we're gonna put one here, one at 4 inches, one at 8 inches, and then one here at 12. So we're gonna make those marks and drill out the holes. There we go. All right, guys, so for the finish on this one, we're gonna burn it. And what do I always tell you? If you're gonna burn something, you better have that fire extinguisher handy now. So now, guys, that we got our piece nice and burned, this is what she's looking like. Real simple. We're gonna take our cutting board oil from Howard's. Shout out to Howard's, link in the description if you wanna go check them out. We're just gonna rub her down. Rub her down real nice now. So now that we got it nice and Howard up and shining, that's what we're looking like. This is where the cool part comes in. We're gonna take some of this twine here and wrap it around our ends. All right, guys, so we're gonna use hot glue to put our rope on. We're just gonna put it down just like so. Place our rope down. Hold her there, and then we'll keep wrapping it around and show you what we got. All right, guys, so our first project is complete. This is what she's looking like. Like I said, nice little scrap wood build right here. Easy Munyon. Like I said, I've seen on Etsy, these right here are selling for like $25, so it doesn't take much effort. You just need a little drill, some twine if you want to do that. But yeah, it looks good. So now we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, guys, this next one is an easy one that can be done with scrap wood. We got some 4x4 little cutouts right here. And what we're gonna do is, first we need to find my pencil. Pencil was right here the whole time. Appreciate that. And then we're just gonna go here. Use your speed square, corner to corner. And that's how you're gonna find your middle. And once you find your middle right there, take your drill bit and start drilling down on her. All right, guys, we got our first one cut out. Now you're just gonna repeat the process. All right, guys, so when you get all 3 of your holes drilled out, we're gonna now glue these together any way you like. All right, guys, so now that we got her put together, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna burn it, and also feel free to stain it, paint it, do what you want with it, but we're just gonna burn it today. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so now we're done with this one right here. Like I said, nice and easy, simple. Looks great. All we gotta do now is throw on some Howards, but we ain't gonna show you that, but she looking good now. She looking real good. So now it's time to get into the third one. All right, guys, so for this last one here, we got us a scrap piece of 2x4. And what we are going to do, we're going to measure out at a foot. And we're going to need to cut 2 pieces out at 1 foot. Let's do it. Like always, use that first cut. Get it nice and flush. Make you a line. Make that second cut. Alright guys, so we're going to need us a little piece of this 1x3 here. And we're going to do that at 7 inches. Like I said, we're going to need 3 pieces actually. 7 inches out of this 1x3. Wow, that's a great line. Head to the miter saw. Alright guys, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to put this thing together. Put us some wood glue right there on the back. Right there. Make sure you spread them out. You're going to put that bad boy just like that. Shoot you one of these. Make sure that we're flush down here. Shoot you one more nail. There you go. Beautiful. Do the same thing to the bottom down here. So now that we got the back of our piece like this right here, come over to this side. You're going to take this piece. Now this is going to go on the top. Get you a healthy layer of glue. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to spread her out real quick. Just like that. Get everything nice and flush. There we go, one side. Just like that. Now that we got it looking like this right here, that's our back, this is our front. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with the torch. All right guys, now that we got her nice and burned, what we're gonna do here to our front was half of 7 inches. 3.5. That right there. We're gonna take her up just a notch. And we're gonna put us a hook in here. Alright guys, so we forgot to tell you, but we did go and hot glue a piece of our string to each side here. Just like that. So what this is going to be used for, turn on your light. Drop that bad boy in there. Alright guys, so like I said, you can go and put your string on with some hot glue there. Put your little tea light in there. And then you'll just hang her on your hook. And then she'll go on a wall. So she'll end up looking something like this, wherever you put her. So she looked good. So yeah, so that's our third build right there. Looking real nice. I'm happy with that. Alright guys, so these are our 3 simple builds that you can make, you know, to have around your house or sell for a little bit of money. But yeah, we had fun making these. Like I said, still getting over the sickness here, which was rough. It was a really rough week this week. If you haven't seen Wednesday's post, make sure you go check that bad boy out. It was a little compilation of our funniest moments and everything. But yeah, guys, we appreciate everybody for watching. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button, share this video, leave a comment, let us know some ideas you want to see be built, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.